Alright, first thing you want to do. Boom. Octane. 2. Firing range. Boom. Firing range. Ready up. Boom. Make this a quick tutorial. First thing, Octane. Why? Because you want to go fast. You want to go fast. You don't want to wait. You don't want to wait. You want to go all the way left. You got to go all the way left, folks. All the way. Spam that. Then you're going to go here. Then you're going to stop. You're going to hit the option button. You're going to throw your pistol on the ground. Throw the pistol on the ground. You're going to change legends. Pathfinder. Here he comes. And then you want to get up here. Boom. Okay, once you're up here, you want to look down. Then you want to crouch. Then you want to hit select. Change your legend.
Whoa, what a rush!
You heard that? You heard that noise? You heard the clink? Boom. You're gonna jump down. You're gonna look forward. You're gonna see those dummies are alive. They are moving and they are armed and dangerous. And they're pissed. They are so pissed. Oh my god. I don't know what the hell they got. They're a terrible shot, so you don't really have to worry too much about them. Oh, how dare you touch me? But remember, you're Octane, so you can get away. So there's that. That's how you turn on the dummies, folks.
It's go time.
It's go time. Damn, what they all got, like, red evos? I don't remember these things having red evos before. But, did we kill them all? Ah! There you go, folks. Turn the dummies on and grab a prowler and have at it. Oh, and they're just gonna... There you go, folks. That is how you activate the dummy. Do the same thing. Go over there. You look down. You crouch, and that will turn it back off. All right, enough. Oh, I'll get you for that. They rush you. They'll fight you. They will fight you. These dummies. I was gonna exit, but he shot me, so I got mad. If you want to start with like practice your shield swapping. Get those headshots down. Listen for the respawn. Oh, he doesn't see me. Ah, we got him! Oh, he has friends! And then they drop these little pieces. Alright. What was I gonna do? Return to the lobby. Alright, we did our quick firing range tutorial. Hehe, I'm seeing pro gamer moves. Only sometimes. Shh, don't tell people secret StarWeather moves.